Hello guys, merhaba. Today we are going to continue our materials from our book Yağmur Türkçe Ders Kitabı 1. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, previously we have learned some countries' names in Turkish. Now in this part of video, in chapter 25, we are going to listen a dialogue of two people to tell a conversation between two of them who came from different countries and asking where they are from in Turkish. Okay, now let's hear the dialogue.
Merhaba, ben Mehmet.
Merhaba, ben Boris.
Nerelisin Boris?
Rusyalıyım. Sen nerelisin?
Ben Türkiye'liyim.
Memnun oldum.
Ben de.
Okay, we have heard the dialogue. Now let's read ourselves and try to understand what they are talking. Okay, Mehmet, merhaba, ben Mehmet. Hello, I'm Mehmet. Boris, merhaba, ben Boris. Hello, I'm Boris. Nerelisin Boris? Where are you from, Boris? Rusyalıyım. Sen nerelisin? I'm from Russia. Where are you from? Ben Türkiye'liyim. I'm from Turkey. Memnun oldum. Nice to meet you. Ben de. Me too. Okay, great job. We have read and understand the dialogue. Thank you for your attention. We will continue this chapter in the next video. Bye bye.